The word Nitya is a kaleidoscopic essence of Tal and Lay, and its vibrations are a fragrance of the soul, a fragrance of worship, a fragrance of our rich cultural heritage. Nitya in any form, be it the conventional classical dances, the colorful folk dances, or the newer creative or contemporary dance forms, has a transcendental effect on our body and soul. One such artist who has taken up dance as a worship of the soul is Vandana Devroy, a name that defines Nritya in its most graceful, elegant, and colorful forms. Vandana Devroy, a well-known name in the classical and creative dancing, is a Visharad in Kathak from Lucknow Gharana. In her academics, she is a master's in psychology. She has had her rigorous conventional training in Kathak under the able guidance of her gurus, Srimati Rajeshwari Thakurji, and none other than the Kathak maestro Padma Bhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj ji. Born on the 21st of October, Vandana has the fragrance of dance as a God gift, and her first stage performance was at a very tender age of 4. Throughout the period of her education, she had been a recipient of scholarship from the CCRT from Kathak Kendra, New Delhi. Vandana has been a recipient of many prestigious awards. To mention a few of them, the Sanskar Bharti Award 1990, the Dancing Peacock Award from the Nehru Bal Sangh 1991, and the Perform to Excel Award of the Lions International 2006. Vandana's graceful and lyrical movements in her dance recitals, her scintillating parans and chakradar parans, her tender poetical gadbhav in her recitals has carved a niche for herself and has created an aura of elegance in her dance recitals. Her dance ballets have been highly appreciated by the audiences and critics in different cities of our country. Of her many dance ballets, Ganga, Dashavatar, Shiv, Durga, Meera, Sur Krishnam, Tulsi, and Kabir are of special emphasis. Her